If you have been searching for a way to break into affiliate marketing without all the usual headaches, then the no-sale profit system is probably the most exciting opportunity you'll come across this year. The truth is, most people who try affiliate marketing get discouraged very quickly. They think it's as easy as promoting a link, driving some traffic, and making commissions. But the reality is, most models are saturated, highly competitive, and require skills that take months, sometimes years, to master. You need to learn copywriting, paid traffic strategies, funnel building, email marketing, and on top of that, you have to constantly deal with low conversion rates. This is where the no-sale profit system flipped the game on its head. Instead of struggling to convince someone to spend money on a product or a service, you are simply getting them to make a phone call. This sounds almost too simple, but when you understand the power behind it, you realize why it's such a breakthrough. Let's say someone is looking for insurance. They don't want to spend hours filling out forms online. They don't want to wait for emails. They just want to talk to a professional who can answer their questions right away. That's where you come in. You direct them through an ad and a bridge page to a phone number, and when they call, you get paid. The beauty of this system is that it's built around industries where there is massive demand and where businesses are already prepared to pay top dollar for qualified leads. Companies in sectors like insurance, debt relief, and financial services literally spend billions each year just to get people on the phone. They don't mind paying you $40, $50, even $90 per call because they know if even a fraction of those calls turn into customers, they are making thousands in return. And you're not the one doing the selling. You're not on the phone, you're not convincing anyone, and you're not handling objections. You are simply the bridge between a person who needs help and a company that provides it. This makes the system extremely beginner-friendly. Most people fail online because they get overwhelmed by the tech. They worry about websites, autoresponders, checkout pages, or customer support. With the no-sale profit system, all of that disappears. You don't need a product, you don't need to talk to anyone, and you don't need to close any sales. You are plugging into a complete done-for-you ecosystem. The creators of this program have already tested the ads, built the compliant bridge pages, and partnered with an exclusive buyer network that is hungry for calls. All you have to do is follow the system, send traffic, and let the machine handle the rest. Now, let's talk about scalability, because this is where things get really exciting. With a typical affiliate offer, maybe you earn $20 for a sale, and it might take you 10 clicks, 20 clicks, even 100 clicks before you see one sale. That's a lot of effort for small rewards. But here, every single call that qualifies earns you $40 to $90. That means even a small amount of traffic can generate serious income. Imagine running a campaign that only produces 10 calls a day. That could already put you in the range of $400 to $900 daily. Over a month, that's the kind of income most people dream of. And the truth is, many affiliates using this model scale far beyond that. Some are earning thousands per day, and there are even documented cases of people generating tens of millions through pay-per-call campaigns. Of course, not everyone is going to make millions. But what this system does is level the playing field. For the first time, beginners can enter a proven affiliate model that doesn't require years of experience or massive upfront investment. You don't need to be an expert marketer. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You are literally given the exact ads to run, the exact landing pages to use, and the exact buyer network ready to pay you. It's as close to plug and play as it gets in the world of online business. And here's another important point. This isn't one of those short-lived hacks that make money for a few months and then vanish. Pay-per-call has been around for decades, and the industries behind it are never going away. Insurance will always be in demand. Debt relief will always be in demand. Legal services will always be in demand. As long as people need help with these essential services, companies will keep paying for qualified calls. That means you're not just jumping on a trend. You're stepping into a business model that can last for years, even decades if you stick with it. But let's be real for a second. Even though this system is simple, it still requires action. Too many people think they can buy a course or join a program and the money will just show up. That's not how it works. You will still need to follow the steps, set up your ads, and commit to learning the process. The good news is you don't have to figure it out alone. The creators behind Call Profits have already proven their track record, generating over $369 million in commissions for their students with past systems. They know what works, and now they're handing you the blueprint. Think about that for a moment. If they could help their students generate hundreds of millions with older, more competitive models, imagine what's possible now that they're giving you access to an entirely new blue ocean. That's why they are calling this the most important launch of their careers. They believe this system will create more millionaires than anything they've ever released before. And if you position yourself at the start of this movement, you could be one of the success stories. Now, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who has dabbled in affiliate marketing without much success, this is your chance to start fresh. Instead of trying to force yourself into crowded markets where thousands of affiliates are fighting for scraps, you can step into a space that most marketers don't even know exists. It's underground, but it's fully legitimate, fully compliant, and fully scalable. And when you combine that with a done-for-you ecosystem, the barriers that used to hold people back simply disappear. So, what's the bottom line? The no-sale profit system is not just another course. It's not just another marketing method. It's a complete shift in how affiliates can make money online. It removes the hardest parts of the business, gives you higher payouts, connects you with industries that will never disappear, and provides you with a proven framework that is already generating results. If you're serious about creating a real online income, this might be the single best opportunity you'll see in 2025.